welcome you in this video. In this video, we are starting chapter triangles and the most important theorem, Thales theorem, or this theorem is also known as basic proportionality theorem. ठीक है, BPT. In short, it is known as BPT, basic proportionality theorem, or Thales theorem. It is also known as Thales theorem. So, what is Thales theorem? See here, Thales theorem is if in a triangle. ठीक है, let me draw one triangle here. See, I am drawing one triangle here. Let me say this triangle is ABC. Okay. So what is Thales theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, अगर BC side से एक line draw करूँ parallel, ठीक है? These two are parallel, which intersects at 2 points D and E. So then the two sides of a triangles are in same ratio. ठीक है? तो हाँ ये same ratio में होंगे. That means AD upon DB should be equals to AE upon EC. That means अगर ये 1:2 में है, so अगर ये 1:2 है, so ये 1:2 है, तो ये भी 1:2 होगा. Okay, so that means this. So what is basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem? Again see, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay, so let us start to prove it. Okay, proof. Sorry, let us start proving it. Proof. So what is the proof? See, I have to just prove. What we have to prove? We have to prove that the corresponding sides are in same ratio. Before that, we will write given. What is given to you? DE is parallel to BC. DE and BC are parallel. To prove, what you have to prove, their corresponding sides are in same ratio. That means AD upon DB should be equals to AE upon EC. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों equal होंगे. We have to prove this thing. ठीक, proof. अब इसको prove करने के लिए what we have to see? AD देख, AD कहाँ पर है? This is AD, this much portion. Where is DB? This is DB. ठीक है, ये दोनों हमें ये this upon this करना है. ठीक है. So what we will do, हम इन triangles का area निकाल देंगे. Area of ADE and area of then a small triangle. Let me tell you. ठीक है. So I am telling you, अब फिर इसको देखो. We will join this to this and we will join this to this. Join like this. Okay. So very first I want to try find the area of ADE. AD का area निकालने के लिए we have to half into base. Okay. देखो. I am starting area of ADE is half into base. Where is base? AD. Because we want AD into height. Now where is height? So draw a perpendicular to this side. यहाँ पर एक perpendicular draw कर लो. Let me say this line, this point is M. So I am saying this is EM. Okay. Equation number 1. Same way now I want DB. तो DB चाहिए तो मुझे ये वाले triangle का area find करना है. DBE. Okay. So area of DBE is half into base. I am taking DB into height. Okay, height. So this is obtuse angle triangle. See, so height will be ये base है ना, इससे perpendicular on the base. This is the height only. Okay, तो इस triangle की height अंदर तो हो नहीं सकती. So this is the height. EM is the same height. Okay, equation number 2. Got the two sides. Similarly, we will find what? AE side. So again I will just find the area of this triangle only for AE. Okay. So area of ADE. Same ADE is half into, now I am taking base AE. Okay. Into height. What is the height? Now draw the height of this to this base. Okay. AE base by height draw. Let me say this is N. So that is DN. Equation number 3. Now I want to take EC. So where is EC? This. So I want to take area of this triangle. ठीक है? So area of BEC. That means half into, what is base? Base I am taking EC into height. Where is height? This is again obtuse angle triangle. So height will be perpendicular to the base. इसको थोड़ा extend करेंगे. Same will be the height DN. Okay. is equation number 4. So up to here it's clear what we have done. For basic proportionality theorem, we are given that if one line is parallel to one side of our triangle, we are given DE is parallel to BC. ठीक है, ये हमें दिया हुआ है. We have to prove that AB upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. तो ये जो लाइन है ये करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स को सेम रेशियो में कट करती है. ओके, सो दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड. तो फॉर एडी फाइंड करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया ले लेंगे. तो हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू यहाँ से हाइट ड्रॉ कर लेंगे, हाइट. अब हमें क्या चाहिए, डीबी. सो डीबी के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, एक ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. ठीक है, सो इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया निकाल लेंगे. हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. हाइट इज ME. ओके, सेम वे यू कैन डू फॉर हियर ए के लिए. सेम दिस ट्राइंगल एरिया ADE, हाफ इंटू बेस यहाँ पे AE यू टेक into height DN, and same way we want EC के लिए you will take this triangle based on ET जिसका बेस EC हो. so half into base into height इसकी बाहर आएगी DN. okay, we got this. अब सिंपल क्या कर लो, अब we want AD upon DB ना. so where is AD ये है, DB ये है. तो इन इक्वेशन को डिवाइड कर लेंगे, dividing these two equation. and same way we want EC and AC, ये दोनों ये चाहिए. so we will divide these two equation. ठीक है, so dividing equation 1 and 2. ठीक है, similarly this and this. so I'm just doing here, see here. now I'm saying dividing equation 1 by 2. equation 1 is divided by 2. okay, divided by 2 and 3 by 4. okay, you write it properly. So I'm dividing equation this area of ADE divided by area of DBE is same way half into base into height. Same way half into base into height. See, half to half cancel, EM to EM cancel. So what we'll get, AD upon DB. Okay. Let me say it is equation number 5. Same way I am dividing 3 by 4. So area of ADE divided by area of DEC, okay, is half into AE into DN. From here divided by half into EC into DN. okay, from here. So DN to DN cancel, half to half cancel. So we will get AE upon EC. Okay. So this is your equation number 6. Okay. So now we'll see from these two. Okay. Up to here it is clear. So now see equation 5 and C. Okay. AD numerator is same but denominator are different. Okay. So this is DBE, this is DEC. Where is DB? DBE, this triangle. Okay. Where is DEC? DEC is this triangle. See these two triangles, they are on the same base DE and between the same parallel lines. So you have read in 9th class as area of DBE should be equals to area of DEC. इन दोनों का एरिया सेम होना चाहिए. Why? Because they are on the same base DE as they are on the same base. क्या कौन से बेस पे हैं? DE बेस पे हैं. DE and between same parallel lines. So because we are given that these two are parallel lines, same parallel lines. कौन कौन सी parallel lines? DE and BC. We are given DE is parallel to BC. तो इसलिए इन दोनों का एरिया भी सेम होगा. Substituting the value in equation number 6. यहाँ पर इसकी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं. So what you can, therefore from equation 6, what 6 will become? Area of ADE whole divided by, in the place of DEC we can write DBE. Area of DBE is equals to AE upon EC. Okay. Equation number 7. Now see equation 5 and 7. their ADE DB, AED DB, their right hand left hand side is same, so their right hand side will also be same. From equation 5 and 7, left hand side is same, so right hand side AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. This is only we have to prove, and this is proof of basic proportionality theorem. Okay, AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. Okay, this is our basic proportionality theorem. How we have proved? We have proved first this AD upon DB, area of this triangle upon area of this triangle, AE upon AC, area of this triangle upon area of this small triangle. Area करो फिर last में, because this triangle and this triangle are on the same base and between same parallels, तो एक equation को एक side को equal proof कर दो, then it will get proved. Okay, so we are completing this video here only for basic proportionality theorem. Complete it properly, okay, because it is very important theorem. So till then, take care, bye bye, do like and share and do practice. Bye bye beta.